Hello bitches. Today I'm going to make some healthy, fulfilling wrap meals. Now I've started doing these because a lot of time I can't be bothered to cook, so this is what I've started doing. I've got whole wheat white, whole wheat brown. I just want to take excuse me, two out of it. Right, got some good old beef. It's low in everything apart from salt, but that's not really an issue. Got some cooked chicken. I got 2 packets here because I want to show you the difference. I ordered a couple packets of this, but as a substitute they sent this. Now, why I ordered this one is because everything's in green. It's nice and low apart from salt, but that don't really matter because I exercise a lot, and everything's in like orange, yellow here. So I'm going to use this one. And I would do the same if you was picking your chicken up from shop as well. No matter the shop, it doesn't matter. Even my knife's got blown, all this fucking plastic's got harder to cut. Okay. Right, well, aside from the chicken, I've also got some tuna and a shit ton of veg. But the one I've started making myself recently is you get a brown wrap, you get some tuna, half tin per wrap I would recommend. Then get a potato, or half a potato, and just mash it up. Now I'm doing it now, so like when I grab it, it won't just rip to pieces. Ow, still fucking hot. Very hot. Yep, yeah. So that's good as it is. You can add couple cucumber, ow, still burning my bleeding finger, tomato, and not necessarily a pepper with these, but each to their own. So that is one that I would have. It's nice, it's warm, and it's great to eat, and I would recommend giving it a try. Right, so that's that one gone. Beef time. Just making sure I hit record then. I have done it before without. Now I like my wraps really beefy. You don't necessarily get a real lot in these, but for £1.25 you can't argue. I'm not a particularly big fan of tomatoes because they have been known to give me mouth ulcers. So that's another one. That's all awesome. I'm going to do another beef one now. Right. Next time I'm going to add cucumber. Cottage cheese. Now this one I've got chives in it and it's really nice. Yummy. I won't have more than 2 spoonfuls or you'll just be piling on pounds, even though cottage cheese is really good for you. And next, just stick some potato on. Seems to be a lot easier when you do it on a plate. Oh shit, Sherlock! And that's ready to go. That is a really nice, warm, healthy meal. Now for this one, it's basically the same, just with chicken. See, my thing is, I love sandwiches, but they've always had this effect on me of like draining me energy, and I think it'll be because of gluten that was inside them, so I kind of stay away from that shit now. Add some pepper and then a bit of cottage cheese. Now when you fold it, pocket it up, sad. Now I've done a couple because I'm going to shrink wrap them and stick them in the fridge. But that's awesome. Do a couple more, so lasts me a couple of days. If you order online your food, that is, I would recommend not ordering packets of food like this, because they always bring you the closest expiration date food. So I've got like 2 days to eat 5 packets of these fucking things, and hopefully I can manage it. So I'd pick up that kind of stuff from shop. Do something a little different, yeah. I love cucumber. Here's the rest of what I got. Right. I love eggs. They're awesome for piling on pounds, but I hate egg yolk, so it's going straight in bin. Boiled eggs, by the way, you can Google this, last up to a week. So they're a good food to keep in your fridge. But I won't risk more than, say, 5 days. Yummy. That's another one done. I do get asked all the time now, how can I eat all this stuff without sauces? and it is tough at times, but you just find different things to stick in. Now, I'm not particularly a big fan of tuna from the tuna fillets, but I love tuna in brine, and it's like a super fucking food. I'm telling you, if you want to study for an exam and you can't concentrate properly, have a tin of tuna, you'll be fucking wired. Or it could just be me, I don't know. What am I doing? I've still got some left in my dish that I prepared earlier. And that's it, noobs. If you want a little bit extra protein or something, just get half a potato, squeeze it, and stick it in. And that, I assure you, will fill you up, and 2 or 3 of them a day, you'll start piling on the pounds. Like the mini Incredible Hulk that you are.